So friends, what is this video about? This video is about the failure of classical theory to explain photoelectric effect. Now, what is the classical theory? See, we know that light has three different natures. One is geometric nature, in which light is drawn in form of straight lines, rays of light, which can explain reflection and refraction. The second theory is that light behaves like waves. Okay, wave theory of light can explain the phenomena like interference and diffraction and other things. Now, this theory of the particle theory of light, it can explain photoelectric effect, Crompton effect, Raman effect, etc. Okay, so what are we doing? We are first learning some quick points of classical wave theory. You might have learned the classical wave theory in wave optics, or if not, they will be taught to you in the chapter of wave optics. Okay, so according to that, light is made up of waves. It is not made up of particles. What is that theory and why it cannot explain photoelectric effect? तो थोड़ा सा वेव थ्योरी आप ब्रश करके आएंगे, ब्रश करेंगे मतलब थोड़ा सा उसको पढ़ के आएंगे, तो ये चीज़ ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आएगी that why classical theory cannot explain photoelectric effect. See, first point, energy depends on intensity. Wave theory of light says that energy of light depends on intensity. If this is the wave of light, okay, if this is the wave of light, this will be what? This will be the amplitude of that wave, and intensity of wave is proportional to square of amplitude. ऐसा कहा गया है wave theory के अंदर. Okay, and it is said that energy depends on intensity, यानी के energy, energy, energy is directly proportional to amplitude. Now, why this theory fails? Classical theory, मैं पहला पॉइंट फिर से बताता हूं आपको, that according to classical theory, energy of light depends on its amplitude. Energy of light depends on its amplitude. Now see, if I have a metal surface in which there are lot of free electrons, I want these electrons to kick out of the metal surface. What I will do? I will give them light. मैं इस पे लाइट फेंकूंगा. जब मैं इस पे लाइट फेंकूंगा तो क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बाहर नहीं आएंगे शुरू में. So what will happen? I will then increase the intensity of light. मैं सोचूंगा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को शायद कम एनर्जी मिल रही है, तो इस लाइट की एनर्जी को बढ़ा देते हैं. तो what I will do? I will increase the amplitude of that light. Okay, that means I will increase the intensity of that light. If I increase the intensity, according to classical theory, if I increase the intensity, electrons will get more energy, and that energy will be sufficient for the electrons to jump out और photoelectric effect हो जाएगा. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर लाइट फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट नहीं करवा सकती, तो उसकी इंटेंसिटी को आप 10 टाइम्स, 4 टाइम्स, 400 टाइम्स कितना भी बढ़ा लो, उस इंटेंसिटी से फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. ठीक है. सो व्हाई this point fails? Because we know that even the light of low intensity, experiment में देखा ना आपने, even if the intensity of this light is less, but if the frequency is more, then photoelectric effect is readily caused. But this is the first failure of classical theory, that it cannot explain the photoelectric effect, or it cannot explain the threshold frequency. तो ये वाला पॉइंट यहां पे गलत हो जाता है. I am not saying that wave theory of light is completely wrong. It is only that it cannot explain photoelectric effect. Second thing, kinetic energy of emitted electrons or the stopping potential for emitted electrons does not depend on intensity. Okay, now what is this? Suppose करो कि कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां से बाहर चला भी गया है. Okay, this is a metal surface, there was an electron inside, and because of something the electron has moved out. Okay, electron will be having some energy, some speed, so it will be having some kinetic energy. If I increase the intensity of light, classical theory says that energy of light depends on intensity. So if I increase the intensity of light, the kinetic energy of electrons should also increase, but this is not happening. The kinetic energy of electrons remains same whether the intensity of light or the energy of light is less or if it is more. Okay, the third thing which classical theory cannot explain is the time lag is 10 to the power 9 seconds or less. यानी फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट को होने में टोटल कितना टाइम लगता है. This is the time that photoelectric effect takes place. It is only 10 to the power minus 9. इतने कम टाइम में photoelectric effect हो भी जाता है. अभी according to classical theory, the energy is distributed on its amplitude. Okay, so if this is an electron, हम इसी particular electron की बात करेंगे जो कि मेटल के सरफेस में है. Energy will be coming towards that electron and electron is going to absorb that energy. Okay, when electron absorbs a sufficient amount of energy, then it will jump out. मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं, ध्यान से सुनना. If light as a wave strikes the electron will absorb the energy of the wave, and when it absorbs sufficient amount of energy, then it will jump out. That means this will be a very gradual and a slow process. This type of emission will be very slow or very gradual. But we know photoelectric effect is neither slow nor it is gradual. It is instantaneous. So this again cannot be explained by classical theory. Mind well, this is one of the most frequently asked questions in the board examination. Get ready.